Hello, Dawn's Inspirations here. I wanted to share with you my latest album. Something new, something I've never done before. This is my Dawn's Inspirations pop-out album. So something I haven't done before and I wanted to have a go at. And as you know with me, change the colour of your card, change your paper collection, and these albums are going to look different every time you use them. So they're perfect for all sorts of occasions. But let me share with you. I've done a totally different cover system here before. I've done it myself personally, but I've never taught this in an online workshop. And yes, it's got that Dawn's Inspirations little twist because I want it to be perfect for you every time that you make it. I've done even covering the cover, I've done slightly differently. As you can see, we've got this piece on the back here. We've got this for a reason, because you know me, I like to have my albums lay flat. And yes, this does lay flat, but because we've got hard covers, it needed just that little bit of extra, just so it lays nice and flat on the hinge there. Different hinge system as well, something I haven't done before either. But being a pop-out album, and you can see by the size of the pages, there's quite a lot of weight in this album. So I tried several ways of doing the hinge before I finally came up with this one. It just had to be right to take the weight of the pages and all the interactions that you've got in this lovely album. So we've got fan pages, all that lovely interaction going on. We have pop-out pages with lots of space for you to add your 6x4 photographs, because you know I like to have big photographs in here. We've also got a pop-up page, again with lots of interaction. That's what a pop-out album is all about, but plenty of space to put all your photographs. That's the nice thing about it. We have a hidden slider page, but my hidden slider page comes with even more hidden slider elements. So lots of space again for adding those 6x4 photographs. We have a double slider page. These have just got cut aparts on, but you could put your photographs on each and every one of these and they will look fabulous. And then finally I have a hammock page. So great space again for you to get all those photographs tucked away with all the interaction of a pop-out album. I'm thrilled to bits with this and I hope you're going to enjoy it too. But the online workshop comes with a little bonus, because yes, it's a pop-out album. Yes, I'm going to teach you lots of new ways of doing these, covers and spine and hinge, but you may want to have a go at doing these as cards. And yes, you can, because there's a little bonus that goes with this online workshop, allowing you to create the pop-out elements from this album and turn them into cards. So check out the video in my website. You'll see more about what's involved and the little bonus project you're going to get, and I will look forward to seeing you in the online workshop. You've just got to decide what colour cards you're going to use and what paper collection. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.